Hi, I'm Charlotte, an AI-powered demo presenter. Welcome to the world of Fogwing Asset Plus, a smart CMMS platform for industrial asset maintenance. In this video, we'll guide you through creating the teams on the Fogwing Asset Plus platform. Let's get started. To begin, log into your Fogwing Asset account. Once logged in, click on the Settings menu item on the menu to navigate to the Settings page of your Fogwing Asset Plus account. Then, click on User Management in the navigation bar and click on the Team section. This is where you can create and manage your maintenance team. Click on the Create Team button to initialize the maintenance team creation. You will be directed to the Create Team form. Fill out the relevant details like team or group name, identifier, search and select users to form the team, and click on the plus button to add the users to the team. Select the supervisor from the team. Choose the plant, choose the vendor, and provide a team description. Press Submit to create the team. Congratulations, you have successfully created a maintenance team. You can see the members and supervisor here. Thank you for watching this Fogwing Asset Plus Teams creation demo. We're excited to help you with your asset maintenance journey. You can stay connected to maximize your experience with our product. We hope you found this demo insightful. For even more efficient maintenance management, download and use our mobile app. We are now available on the App Store and Google Play Store. Give it a try. Your assets will thank you. Until next time, take care and happy maintenance.